What you got there, Bo?
World War II gun. Sights. Enemies out there.
You got a crippled wrist. Daryl.
Why is that sight so high, dummy?
How many meters are you shooting?
Not that much. Dumbass. What'd you say? You wanna
Wee
say
little
that?
baby.
Sergeant
What a wee baby.
Bobo's face? Huh? You wanna say that to my face? Fuck.
My gun's less than 40 years old, bitch.
You see me shoot the balls off a man at 1,000.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah?
Oh yeah?
Sergeant Grizz.
Sergeant Greasy.